Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to Meggie B's Family TV. If you are new here, hey, you are absolutely welcome. If you are being subscribed or being in our community for a while, thank you so much. We appreciate you. In this video, I will be showing you how I do this earring, as you have seen in the slides already. And if you are looking where to buy the accessory to do this earring, like if you want to do it yourself, check our website. Yes, we do have a website called meggiebees.com. Check us out there, buy from us, and we will love that. And very soon we will be also putting our things in shelf here on YouTube, so you can just from YouTube here access our website directly. So that being said, I want to show you now how we do this earring. So these are just the few things that you need, and yeah, your earring hook, your spacer bead, and some broken beads or London bead like the Nigerians call it, or cheap beads as they call it. So you may need some thread. You may use your fishing line or any other thread of your choice. So let's go ahead, and I have thread my needle already. So now I'm going to pass my needle into the hole, and I will do a knot, or you can also tie it. Yeah, it's magic. See, then you pass it again. It's magic. So I will tight it. Yeah. I'll pick my spacer bead. I will let it drop. And then, so this is the first place that we have now, yeah? So now I'm going to pick my cheap beads. After I come out, then I will now enter the hole of my earring hook. Okay, I will drag to make it tight. I will now make a knot. It's magic. It's magic. And after coming out from here, I will now pick some other cheap beads or the rest beads. Yeah, I've passed my other, and this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do with my needle, I'm going to pass through again the spacer bead. So, and then I will pull. I will pull very well. I will make sure that it's really like tight, you see? So you have to arrange it properly. I'm going to enter now the earring hole. So, and then I will pull. I will now use this tail. See, this tail, I will use it to what? Tie it. So that it will be very firm. I will tie it very well. Okay, I will do it one more time. See? I will tie. And now, I'm going to use the thread again to tie it properly here. And this earring is also very good when you are doing your traditional wedding or when you are having your Africa wears and so on. Yeah, and you can see that it's a set. You see that? So you can also do this earring in another way by using your stopper. I will do another one another time and show you how to use a stopper. Okay, so this is it. This is it. And then I will now pass my thread through the spacer bead. I'll pass my thread through the spacer bead out. So I will now come out of my spacer bead. I will pull my thread. And then I can still use my needle just to make a knot here. I like to secure my work very well. Now this is what we have. To cut my thread, I will enter the chip bead. I will pull. So as I pull, and then I will now cut the thread by dragging it very well. I will cut it. This is what we have now, as you can see. Now we have this tail. I can pass it through the spacer bead or cut it. So I will just cut it. And then with a lighter, I will just burn it slowly. Can you see? So that is what we have. And you can also see it in our showcase here. You see it? Beautiful. If you like this earring, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and watch out for our next video. And please visit our website, and very soon we will be doing a giveaway on our channel here, and we will also be posting the requirements to be able to join on our giveaway. It's going to be super. Thank you all very much. We love you, and bye.